Hello everybody, how are you? Guys, in the last video I have explained you a bit about trend line. So in this video I'm going to extend the topic, right? This is again the Epcotex India chart, and this is the Epcotex India chart. The same candlestick chart I'm using. This is a 5-minute chart, okay? So in this video I'm going to explain you that how you can use the trend line. So we have two types of time frames available with us in this chart. This is a 5-minute chart which I am using. You can convert it into 5 minute, into 30, into 1 day, 1 month. So it depends upon you that which time frame you want to use here. And another time frame is in the lower tab. This is 5 year, 1 year, 6 month, 3 month, 1 month, 5 days and 1 days. So this is the chart which will help you to jump to that particular region or that particular time frame. So if you want to see the chart of the last 1 year or 5 years, you just need to click on it. So let's start it. Let me hide this MACD, otherwise it will confuse you up. Okay, so I'm going to click on 1 year chart. Okay, this appears like this. So I'm going to make few adjustments so I'll be able to understand what is going on in the prices in this chart. So this is the chart. So it was earlier falling down. The prices were falling down, but from 23rd March 2020, it is continuously moving in an upward direction. It is easily visible to you, right? So let's take the trend line from here. Pick the trend line. I'm going to start from here and I'll join the lower levels to make a trend line. Okay, so this is a trend line. This is a trend line which is formed. So it shows that from the last year March, the prices are moving continuously in an upward direction. So there is a probability that the prices will keep on moving in an upward direction as today as well, right? So again I'll show you one more trend line. Okay, let's take from here. I'm taking you a bit back so that I'll be able to see the prices. I'll be able to see the prices properly. Okay, so I'm again going to select the trend line. From here, the prices were rising. They fell in between and again they struggled here and again they jumped up. So they were continuously rising. So it is an uptrend. Again, I'm going to show you one more trend line. Let's begin from here. Again, drawing one more trend line. This is a downtrend. So what this trend line explains you? See, from this trend line, the prices were moving up, up and up and up. Right? The prices fell a bit below here, but they again moved back. Again, they crossed the trend line here. They tried to move in an upward direction again here. Let me zoom it a bit. They tried to move again, but they again fell down. So when they crossed this trend line, there is a high probability that the trend will change the direction. Earlier it was in an upward direction, but now there is a high probability that it will change the direction and it will fall down. So this is what has happened here. It has changed the direction and it started to fall down. Again, the prices were falling down, moving up, falling down, moving up. But here, they tried to cross the trend line. They crossed it and again they started a new trend. They have changed their direction and now an uptrend is there in the market. So there is again a high probability that the prices will move in an upward direction because an upward trend is following here. This is how you can take the help of trend line, that where and when you can invest in the share market. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye everybody.